How's it going, YouTube? Railroad Crossing Russell here. I'm at the Harrison Street crossing here in Annandale, Minnesota. This crossing used to have a Safetran mechanical bell, and now has some sort of GSC bell. And we got a CP freight train coming eastbound through Annandale. And yeah, and by the way, we got a green signal down there, and they just turned on last minute, and the train is now coming. So let's get a zoom in towards Excelsior Avenue. This is gonna be awesome, people. This train is gonna be hauling ass. This is gonna be a good one. I suppose the crossing that's right here is just called Oak Avenue. I don't know, but it's mostly Harrison Street. All right, the train is hauling ass, so I'm just gonna back up once I see it. By the way, this is also gonna be my first time catching eastbound at this crossing as well, besides catching two westbounds when it had a mechanical bell back then. Well, here comes the train. Yes! Yeah! I don't know if this is type 3 or... yep, type 2. No, type 3, sorry. Yeah! Yeah, baby! Yeah! 8004! Got an auto rack. KCS, baby! Finally! That was awesome. That thing was hauling ass. An auto-rack train with one AC4400CWM and a KCS Gevo in the middle. Yeah, baby, there she goes eastbound. Well, it was awesome. That train was hauling. Anyways, thanks for watching. So we're crossing also signing off.